Got a new multi-tool today. Pretty sweet one too. It's called the Nextool E1. It's got a knife, of course. It's got a file. Kind of hard to open with one hand. Scissors. Really good quality scissors too, nice and sharp. It's got a bit driver with a Leatherman style detachable bit. I've got my T6 and T8 in there right now. It comes with a like a sheath with 20 different bits. It's got a scalpel. Scalpel is replaceable and it comes with replacement blades. It also has a... Oh, my hand hurts. I cut my finger pretty badly a week ago. It's got a scraper slash pry bar and a bottle opener. It's got a file in there too. And yeah, I think this is definitely a really good tool for $27, $26.95. Especially since it comes with the bit case. Let me show you the bit case real quick. It is a case filled with all these bits. We've got Phillips, all the sizes. It's even got the PZ bits instead of just regular Phillips. It's got the other style. It's got Torx, hex, squares, and flatheads. Overall, I would say definitely worth it. Pick one up. You can find them on Amazon, you can find them on eBay, you can go to nextool.com. They have a ton of different multi-tools. This one's just a good size, and you can see it's about the size of a